In this video, we will show you how you can beautify your Linux terminal and be more productive and focused on your work. Now there are several programs for modifying the appearance of the terminal, and today we will try the Oh My ZSH framework, which is mainly intended for Linux and Mac. Here we just showed you some of the looks of the terminal with Oh My ZSH, and they are pretty cool looking. Now this Oh My ZSH is not just about theming your terminal, but there is a plugin section which we will discuss later part of this video. Now that you have seen the different looks, so let's go to the Oh My ZSH website. And from here, you can go to the documentation page. So click on these docs, and we're on the documentation page. And we have gone through all of this, so stay tuned with us, and we will show you how easily you can change the appearance of your terminal on Linux. To install Oh My ZSH, we need the Z shell installed on our system, which currently we do not have. So first we need to install the Z shell. Opening terminal. To check if Z shell installed on your system, run the following command: zsh space -- version. And if the result is command not found, that means Z shell is not installed on your system. To install Z shell, run the following command: sudo apt install zsh and press enter. Press Y. Okay, ZSH now installed on our system. Now let's verify. Type zsh space -- version. Now we need to check our default shell. If Z shell is not the default option, then we need to change it. So let's check the default shell first. Type echo space $shell in all caps. Okay, so our default shell is bash shell, so we need to change the default option. To check all the available shells installed on your system, you can run the following command: cat space /etc/shells. And these are the shells currently installed on our system. Okay, now let's change the default shell. The command is chsh space -s space $ in parentheses which space zsh and press enter. Enter the password. Restart the system to changes take effect. To verify if Z shell is the default shell, reboot the system. Type sudo space reboot. After reboot, when you open the terminal for the first time, you should see this kind of interface, and from here you need to choose one of the options, and we go with the option 2, which is recommended by the administrator. So press 2. Now let's clear the page. To verify if Z shell is the default shell, echo space $ in all caps shell. Okay, so Z shell is the default shell now. Now that Z shell is installed and set as the default shell, we can start installation process of Oh My ZSH. So we need the installation code. Back to documentation page. And from here, you can find the installation code. So this is the code we need. Simply copy the code. Now if this code does not work for you, you can always install from the alternative code. Now back to terminal. Type sudo and paste the command and press enter. Okay, so what it's saying, that git is not installed, so we need to install the git. Type sudo space apt space install space git -all and press enter. Press Y and press enter. So it will take some time. Okay, so Git is installed now, and now we should be able to install Oh My ZSH. Type sudo and paste the installation command and press enter, and the installation begins. Press Y, press enter, and Oh My ZSH is installed on our system. The default theme is the Robbie Russell theme. To apply other themes, we need to change some settings in the .zshrc file, which can be found in the user directory. So let's open the file in edit mode. Type sudo space nano space .zshrc and press enter. Okay, so in this file you can change the theme. Find this line zsh_theme equal to Robbie Russell, which is the default theme, and from here we can change the themes. So back to the website. Now click on themes, and from this page you can find several themes. So all you need to do, just copy the name of the theme and back to terminal, edit this name, and paste it here. Press Ctrl X, press Y and press enter. Now we need to reload the theme. The command is omg space reload and press enter. So that's the new theme. Let's clear the page. So let's apply another theme. Opening the .zshrc file, back to the website, and let's find another theme. So here we have theme named Jonathan. Let's apply this theme and see how it appears. Press Ctrl X, press Y and press enter. Now we need to reload the theme. OMG reload, and we have the new theme. Let's run the ls command. So that's how this theme looks. Let's run the ls command in different mode. ls space -l. So I think this is pretty cool looking theme. Similarly, you can apply different themes of your choice. Browse the theme you want and apply in the configuration file, and you will get the new theme. So that was the theme part. Now there are another thing that might be very useful in my opinion, and that is the plugin section. There are really nice plugins available which you can take advantage of. So let's go to the plugin page. Click on the plugins, and from this page you can find several plugins and use them as per your need. We will show you some of them which we personally like very much. There is a plugin called Web Search. Which you can find end of this file. Click on it and you find the syntax. So we need to edit the .zshrc file and edit this line. Back to terminal, type sudo space nano .zshrc and press enter. So find the line starting with plugin. So this is the line, plugins equal to git, as we already installed git. Now after git, enter a space and type web-search. Ctrl X, press Y and press enter. Now reload. OMG RELOAT. Back to the website. So the syntax is given here. You can see Google space the search string. So let's type Google space YouTube and press enter. Okay, so the command has been executed. Now you're probably thinking why no browser has come up. That's because we are connected to our Linux system using SSH. So we are on the Raspberry Pi OS. Now let's try the web search. First we will use the Google search engine. Type Google space YouTube. YouTube is the search string and press enter. Okay, so the YouTube has opened up. Now let's try another search engine. Let's try Bing space Facebook and press enter. Okay, so Facebook also come up, so that means web search is working properly. So let's try another plugin. Back to the website. So there is another plugin called sudo. Now click on it. So what this plugin basically does, it adds the sudo at the beginning of the last executed command. So open the .zshrc file, go to the plugin line and after web search enter a space and type sudo. Ctrl X, press Y, press enter. Reload. OMG reload. So the last command we executed is OMG reload. Now double press ESC and the sudo should appear at the beginning of the last executed command. So double pressing ESC and you can see the sudo has come up at the beginning of the last executed command. So this plugin may come very handy in different situations. So similarly, there are several plugins. You can browse through them and apply them in the .zshrc file. So that was it. We hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.